Behind every common coin lies a massive industrial machine operating with nearly perfect precision and scale. Security is absolute because the production of national currency leaves no room for any human error. The journey begins deep underground, where massive drills penetrate rock layers formed over millions of years. Every single day, tons of raw material are blasted and loaded for transport to processing plants. Large hydraulic shovels scoop the blasted earth into giant trucks for the first stage of refinement. Extracted rock contains only a small percentage of useful metal, mixed with various useless minerals. The first challenge is separating the valuable copper from the surrounding waste in the primary crusher. Material is further ground into tiny fragments to prepare the ore for chemical flotation reactions. Through controlled chemical reactions, the copper adheres to bubbles and separates from the waste. The resulting concentrate is filtered and dried before being sent to extreme temperature furnaces. Industrial furnaces reaching extreme temperatures melt the metal to eliminate any remaining impurities. Molten metal flows like liquid fire as it reaches the required level of purity. The liquid is poured into molds to form large plates for final electrolytic refining. In these tanks, electricity helps produce copper with the extremely high purity levels required. The final sheets of pure metal are harvested and washed before entering the alloying phase. Specific proportions of zinc and nickel are added to create durable and resistant alloys. Every gram must be accounted for to ensure the coin meets legal weight standards. The metals are combined in an induction furnace to create the final coin material. The alloy is cast into long, continuous slabs that will later be processed. These bars are cooled and inspected before being sent to the rolling mill facility. Specialized sensors analyze samples to confirm the alloy meets every single established standard. Ultrasound technology detects internal flaws that could cause the coin to fail later. Only when composition and structure are approved does the metal receive production authorization. Before any physical existence, the coin begins as a digital idea in specialized studios. High-resolution screens allow artists to refine every line with absolute historical and technical purpose. Advanced software simulates how metal will flow under extreme pressure to prevent production defects. An approved design leads to the creation of a master die from hardened steel. Computer-controlled machines grab the design and carve it into the steel with microscopic accuracy. The negative engraving must be flawless because every detail will emerge in relief later. Master dies create reinforced copies that will withstand millions of high-pressure striking impacts. Heat treatment makes the steel incredibly hard and durable for the mass production phase. Diamond paste and high-speed buffers create a mirror finish for the final coin background. With designs and metal ready, the heavy bars move to the massive rolling mill. Bars are heated to become malleable without losing their essential structural and chemical properties. Massive steel rollers exert hundreds of tons of pressure to reduce bar thickness significantly. The metal passes through several stages to reach the exact thickness required for production. Laser sensors measure the thickness with a precision of just a few microns constantly. The finished strip is wound into massive coils, weighing hundreds of kilograms for transport. Large forklifts move the coils to the blanking department for the first shape transformation. The coil is unwound automatically into a high-speed press that will punch out discs. Each impact punches perfect circles from the strip at a rate of thousands per minute. Thousands of discs called planchets fall into collection bins with a constant rhythmic sound. The leftover metal web is collected and sent back to the foundry for recycling. Planchets are heated again to soften the metal for the final high-pressure striking process. A rapid cooling and cleaning bath removes oxidation and prepares the surface for striking. Discs are spun at high speeds to remove every trace of moisture before the next stage. An upsetting mill creates a raised rim around the edge to protect the final design. Every planchet is inspected for surface defects before it can enter the striking room. Approved planchets enter the high-security striking room where the final transformation will finally occur. Finished planchets are fed into the coining press to meet the working dies for stamping. Each blank disc centers perfectly between two hardened steel dies before the massive pressure is applied. A force of several hundred tons crushes the metal to form intricate reliefs in less than a second. Under this extreme compression, the metal flows into the die cavities to capture every microscopic detail. The obverse face of the coin emerges with a sharp, clear portrait of a national historical figure. On the reverse side, complex symbols and federal models appear with absolute clarity and artistic precision. Precision alignment ensures that the images on both sides are perfectly oriented to one another throughout production. After the strike, a mechanical arm ejects the finished coin into a collection chute at incredible speeds. Kinetic energy from the impact creates significant heat, leaving the newly minted coins warm to the touch. Modern coining presses operate with relentless speed, producing thousands of identical pieces every single working hour. High-speed cameras monitor the die surfaces to detect any wear that might compromise the final product quality. Specialized grooves are pressed into the perimeter to create the iconic reeded edge found on many coins. These ridges prevent illegal clipping and add a layer of security that makes falsification extremely difficult. The raised rim formed earlier ensures that the delicate central design is shielded from everyday surface wear. Finished pieces flow through automated gates that direct them toward the next stage of rigorous testing. Thousands of brilliant coins move in a silver river toward the most sophisticated inspection array on Earth. Controlled lighting inside this chamber allows sensors to identify the slightest imperfection on any coin surface. Any coin struck slightly off-center is detected instantly and diverted for immediate industrial recycling. Nothing is wasted, as all defective pieces are melted down to rejoin the very beginning of the process. State-of-the-art systems ensure that every batch maintains the high standards of the United States Treasury. The next phase involves advanced laser scanning to confirm that every dimension is perfectly uniform. A massive array of optical sensors captures thousands of images per second to verify design integrity. This rapid capture allows for the detection of flaws invisible to the human eye at normal speed. Advanced pattern recognition software compares every strike against the master digital design for absolute accuracy. High-frequency ultrasound pulses detect internal fractures that could lead to the coin splitting during use. Reflectivity sensors measure the surface luster to ensure every coin possesses the correct, brilliant finish. A vertical laser micrometer verifies that the coin's diameter is within a few microns of the standard. Sensors also confirm the thickness of the rim and design to maintain consistency across the entire batch. Each coin is weighed on an ultra-sensitive scale that can detect variations as small as a milligram. If a coin fails even one of these tests, it's instantly removed by a high-pressure air jet. Only once the entire batch passes all automated inspections is it officially certified for final packaging. Beyond automated checks, human experts conduct random laboratory sampling to ensure the highest artistic quality possible. Under massive magnification, every line of the original design is compared to ensure the dies are still sharp. A diamond-tipped probe tests the hardness of the alloy to guarantee long-lasting durability in the real world. A final chemical analysis confirms the precise mix of metals in the alloy remains perfectly consistent. Experts compare new strikes against historical archives to maintain the legacy of American coinage for future generations. Every step of the process is documented and logged into the federal system for total transparency and accountability. For coins with edge lettering, a specialized camera verifies that every single word is legible and correctly oriented.
A diamond-tipped probe tests the hardness of the alloy to guarantee long-lasting durability in the real world.
Flawless before bagging. With all
A
checks
final
completed,
chemical analysis
the production
confirms that the
supervisor provides
precise
the
mix
final
of metals in the
digital
alloy
authorization to move to the
remains
packaging
perfectly
phase.
consistent.
The approved batch
Experts
is now
compare
moved
new
securely
strikes against
toward the automated
historical
counting
archives to
and
maintain the
heavy-duty
legacy
bagging
of
department.
American coinage for
Massive
future
counting machines
generations.
process thousands of coins
Every
per minute
step of the
to
process
ensure that
is documented
every
and
single bag
logged
is
into the
perfectly
federal
filled.
system for
A
total
centralized digital
transparency and
tally system
accountability.
tracks every coin produced
For
to
coins with
maintain
edge
absolute
lettering,
federal
a specialized
accounting
camera
standards.
verifies
Coins
that
are
every
deposited
single word
into
is legible
heavy-duty
and
industrial
correctly
sacks
oriented.
designed to withstand
A
the weight
final
of
visual
thousands of
sweep
pieces.
under high-intensity
Each
light
bag is sealed
confirms
with a
that the coin's
high-strength
luster is
industrial
absolutely
closure to
flawless
prevent
before
any
bagging.
unauthorized access during transport.
With all checks completed,
Automated
the
labels are
production
applied to
supervisor
every
provides
sack,
the final
containing
digital
batch codes,
authorization to
production
move
dates,
to the
and
packaging
denominations
phase.
for tracking. Sacks
The
are stacked
approved
onto
batch
pallets
is
and
now
secured
moved
for
securely
movement
toward
into
the
facility's
automated counting
high-security
and
vault
heavy-duty
area.
bagging department.
Finished pallets are wrapped in heavy-duty protective
Massive
film
counting
to ensure
machines
total
process
stability
thousands
during
of coins
heavy
per
truck
minute
transport.
to ensure every
High-capacity
single bag
forklifts
is
move the
perfectly
completed
filled.
pallets toward the central vault
A
for
centralized
secure,
digital
long-term
tally
storage.
system tracks
The pallets
every coin
descend in a
produced to
heavy-duty
maintain
secure
absolute
elevator
federal
to the lower
accounting
levels of the
standards.
federal facility.
Coins are
A final
deposited
weigh-in
into
at the vault
heavy-duty
entrance
industrial
confirms the total
sacks
mass of the
designed
batch
to withstand
before
the weight
official
of
storage.
thousands of
The
pieces.
completed pallets are now moved
Each
into the
bag is sealed
high-security
with a
vault for
high-strength
organized
industrial
long-term
closure to
federal
prevent
storage.
any unauthorized
Row upon row
access
of
during
national
transport.
wealth waits inside this
Automated
reinforced
labels are
sanctuary
applied
for
to
the
every
next
sack,
distribution
containing
order.
batch codes,
Orders from the
production
Federal
dates,
Reserve
and
trigger the release
denominations
of
for
specific
tracking.
denominations to meet
Sacks
national
are
economic
stacked onto
demands.
pallets and
Official
secured
armored
for
transport
movement into the
vehicles arrive at
facility's high-security
loading
vault
dock
area.
to begin the secure delivery process.
Finished pallets
Every
are
shipment
wrapped
is
in
heavily
heavy-duty
guarded as it
protective
travels
film
from the
to ensure total stability during heavy truck transport. High-capacity forklifts move the completed pallets toward the central vault for secure long-term storage. The pallets descend in a heavy-duty secure elevator to the lower levels of the federal facility.
A final weigh-in at the vault entrance confirms the total mass of the batch before official storage.
The completed pallets are now moved into the high-security vault for organized long-term federal storage. Row upon row of national wealth waits inside this reinforced sanctuary for the next distribution order. Orders from the Federal Reserve trigger the release of specific denominations to meet national economic demands. Official armored transport vehicles arrive at the high-security loading dock to begin the secure delivery process. Every shipment is heavily guarded as it travels from the facility to regional distribution hubs nationwide. The coins arrive at the Federal Reserve, where they are processed for delivery to local banks. Retail banks receive the heavy bags to provide the vital physical currency required by every local community. In the retail environment, merchants prepare their registers with the fresh coins for the day's transactions. A customer receives the exact change, marking the official entry of the coin into the public economy. Each piece of metal carries the weight of a complex industrial journey from the earth to your hand. Vending machines and automated kiosks across the country rely on the precise dimensions of these official coins. Public services like parking meters and transit systems depend on the durability of this government-issued currency. Collectors often seek out the most perfect strikes to preserve the artistic legacy of American industrial engineering. Years of circulation will test the strength of the alloy as it moves through millions of hands. Even after years of use, the federal symbols and national mottos remain visible and instantly recognizable. The sheer scale of this production ensures that the engine of national commerce never stops moving forward. Dedicated federal workers take pride in maintaining the absolute precision required to create the nation's physical money. As the sun sets, the facility continues its mission to provide the currency that powers the nation. A single coin is a masterpiece of science and engineering that you will never look at similarly. The journey from raw rock to finished currency completes a cycle that defines the strength of a nation.